Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hey again. Well, I have a new package here. It's arrived yesterday afternoon, but I did not have the chance to open it yesterday because I was so busy. So I thought today is the best day to open it. So let's go open the box. So there's the box, guys. Can you see how tall it is? It's almost as tall as me. I already pre-opened it. I removed the packing tape all around it because it's a two boxes put together, so I have to remove the plastic tape first before I make a video. So let's go open it. Well, I think because it's so big, I need to open it first and then show it with you. So that's the box, guys, and as usual, he put those peanuts inside the box. So this is the box. See, it's almost as tall as me, and I only have two plants in there. This one here, let's open this because it needs to be open now. So as you can see, it was placed in a basket. Let's take this one. I don't want to make a mess because I just cleaned my porch. So let's put it there. See how huge this is? That's why the box is so tall. There we go. If I'm not mistaken, this is a Stanhopea Orchid. It's an orchid. So I can see it already. I can see it already. It's already there. I'm sorry, I'm kind of... See? This is Stanhopea gibosa. Is that what I ordered? I'm gonna look later my list if this is really the one that I ordered. It's okay. I think I'm gonna make mess anyway. I think it's better to have a mess than to have a broken orchid, huh? Woohoo, I guess. Ooh, it has a new growth. But I think this is not what I bid on, because I don't see the spike. The one that I bid on has a spike. Come on, don't be angry. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's my mess. Yeah, it's so hot and I'm still wearing long sleeve because of the mosquitoes again. Well, equip yourself life skills. Sprayed mosquito spray, but it seems like the mosquito are immune already with that mosquito killer. It didn't work. Hey, look guys, this is so pretty. I love it so much. See, I have a new growth here, and look, the roots are growing so good too. Oh, and look, there's another one here. There's another growth here. See here? Ooh, let's turn it and I hope I can show it. Here we go, there. See? I have another growth. Oh wow, thank you so much, Sherman P, for my new baby here. And oh, I'm so happy for this. I don't care if this is the one that I beat on or not, because look how pretty this is. Because if I'm not mistaken, the one that I beat on it, there's something growing here, and it's supposed to be a spike, but that's okay because this here is so pretty. Can you see how pretty this is? So I think it's all right if I didn't get the one that has spike, because this plant is so healthy, it's going to give me a spike very, very soon. So I am so happy, Sherman P. Thank you so much, Dave. Thank you so much for my new one. I appreciate it so much. So let's open the second one. Let me hang this here first. And this one here, this is not an orchid, this is a plant. This is a voodoo plant, a lily, voodoo lily, whatever. It's just the bloom of this one is pretty too, and huge. This is a huge plant actually. So why is it not working good on me? There we go. Let's take this out first. Oh yeah, I can see leaves. Can you see leaves? I can see leaves. I look at my phone because I thought I am not recording it again like last time when I was unboxing my new orchids. I thought it was recording, but after everything I said, when I turn and look at my phone, boom, no video. So there we go, I am recording, so that's good. Okay, how I wish I took my scissor, huh? Anyway, that's all right. Here we go. I made a mess. I try not to, but I got mess. Can you see that? It's so huge. I know some of you knew what is this, but I also know that most of my friends doesn't know what is this. Only few knew about this one. But don't worry, if my editor would let me put a picture of this one, the picture that has a picture of its bloom, I'm gonna put it later. So there we go, that's my new baby. And look, it's not dehydrated, but you see, being in the box for almost 6 days is there. See? Oh, 6 days? I don't know. I think he sent it Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 4 days only in the box. So it's so good. I am so happy. Thank you so much, Dave, for this one. Ooh, the roots. I'm not gonna bother the roots. Here you go. I am going to repot this right away. After this video, I am going to repot this right away in a black pot like that. If you can see that lemongrass there, yeah, that's that kind of pot I'm going to put this, because I don't want this to get feeling bad, you know. So thank you so much everyone for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.